Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and I always forget to button this top button. Today's demonstration is going to be on a radio out of a 1967 Pontiac GTO. This comes from Sheldon in Parkland, Florida. He's requested just the basic modern conversion to increase the output power and improve FM reception. And this used to be a mono radio. It is now a stereo radio with FM. And so let's turn it on and make sure everything works before we send it back. Okay, we're set to FM at the moment, and just to make sure that all the presets can be presets, I got them all set to stations in my area.
Everybody who's been involved.
Try that one again.
I want to thank Anthony, Catherine, and Chris.
Okay, that's better.
Great day.
The Limbaugh letter.
Okay, and now we're running all the way down the dial.
Erica needs Chris. Voters. Do it now.
My body, move myself. Any girl you wonder what my
Petitions for homeowners wishing to die.
feeling anxious.
Created because talk radio.
Can't breathe.
5151.
Out under the cottonwood trees.
Okay, we'll flip it over to AM. Make sure we get two weak stations around here.
Because of this medium.
One, two, and then here comes a stronger one. As soon as they start talking, you'll know that
This
that's...
is your Yavapai County District.
There we go. And that hum is caused by a power line that's right outside my window here. So we'll go back to FM.
80.5 FM, Glendale.
And we're going to demonstrate the virtual balance and fader functions. I'm going to activate the front rear fader. We do that by giving our tone control 2 turns to the right. And let's bring our output level meters in the picture so we can see the results of our adjustments. We're going to activate the front rear fader.
North Blythe, 99.
Fader adjust.
Fader adjust. So now your tone control is adjusting
FM, K2
your front rear speaker balance.
91.3 FM.
So I'm going to center the speakers, take my hand off the controls.
Fader set.
Fader set. Okay, now let's try adjusting the left-right balance. Same procedure, except we turn this tone control twice to the left to activate the function. So here we go.
90.5 FM.
Balance adjust.
Balance adjust. And now this same control is adjusting your left-right balance. You can adjust it as long as you want to, and when you stop adjusting it and take your hand off the control,
It's alive.
like I'm going to do right now.
Everything I like want to do in a day, along with estimated time, how long it would take.
Balance set.
Balance set. Okay.
Wow.
It took her a little while to respond this time. Okay, so that's how we adjust our front rear fader, left-right balance. Let's test our aux input real quick. Just going to feed a quick tone into it, make sure it switches over. Okay. Okay, so it is now off radio mode and it's still in aux mode. And after you remove the aux signal, it'll still hold onto that input for about 20 seconds just to make sure it's not constantly switching back and forth between quiet music passages and, between songs and stuff like that. So we'll let the radio come back on its own just to make sure that timeout function works correctly. Be about okay, there's our radio back. Okay, let's test the dial-light. Tune in a station that comes in a little better.
Let's go.
Okay, gotta watch copyright issues here, so I try to keep it on talk.
All home care and
Let's test the dial-light.
they need to live independently
Okay, you can see that.
on their own
Get rid
terms.
of this, and you can see this
Women's
dial-light
Warrior Project long-term
lighting
support
up in
programs
response to
were
my commands.
established to
So that completes the testing procedure. Everything is working correctly, and she's ready to go back to the customer. I'm ready to get on to the next job. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And if you have an 8-track player in need of service, either for home or for car use, or an AM car radio you would like to add FM to with the additional possibilities of Bluetooth, USB USB reader, aux input, and who knows what else. HD radio, we could do that now too. My number is 928-533-9666. That is a number to call for paying, repair, or conversion work only. That's not a number to call looking for a belt or a part or hints on how to hook up that $5 yard sale fine. There's just no time for all that. This is strictly a repair shop. Call me only if you want to send a unit in to be repaired, please. My website is in the description below. Thanks so much for watching and listening. We'll see you guys next time.